Welcome. If your Snapchat notifications aren't popping up on your screen, you might be missing important snaps and messages. Don't worry, in this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to enable Snapchat pop-up notifications on your phone, so you never miss an update again. First, grab your phone and open the Settings app. This is where all your device controls live, including notifications and app permissions. Once you're in Settings, scroll down a bit and look for Apps or App Management. The name might vary slightly depending on your device, but it usually appears in the main settings menu. Tap on it to continue. Now you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to find Snapchat. Once you find it, tap on Snapchat to open its settings. Inside the Snapchat app settings, look for the option labeled Permissions and tap on it. This section controls what Snapchat is allowed to access and do on your device. Next, find and tap on Notifications. Here's where the important part begins. Make sure the toggle next to Allow Notifications is turned on. If it's off, Snapchat won't be able to send you any alerts at all. After that, look for the pop-up option or something similar like floating notifications or banner alerts, depending on your phone. Turn this option on to allow notifications to appear on your screen instantly.